Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off our training today with the AI Prompt Editor Training Manual. In this session, we'll explore how to create meaningful and inclusive conversations with AI, specifically tailored for ADollarClass. Over the next few slides, we'll cover key strategies and best practices to help you craft effective prompts. So, let's get started and make this a productive and insightful training experience. Today, I want to introduce you to ADollarClass and our focus on AI prompting. Our mission is clear: to provide equitable access to global education and support for everyone, regardless of where they are. We believe that technology, especially AI, can play a transformative role in achieving this goal. AI's role in our approach is quite versatile. It acts as virtual tutors to help students learn at their own pace, mentors to guide and inspire, companions to make learning more engaging, and support agents to assist with any challenges that may arise. These AI-powered tools are designed to make education more accessible, personalized, and effective for people all over the world. Connecting these points to our overall theme, it's about harnessing innovative technology to bridge gaps and create opportunities in education for all. Let's take a closer look at the role overview. First, you'll notice that shaping the voice and behavior of AI-powered tools is a key responsibility. This means we need to ensure that these tools communicate effectively and align with our brand or project goals. Next, writing, testing, and maintaining AI prompts is crucial. This is how we guide the AI to produce the right responses and improve over time. Finally, collaboration across teams is essential for alignment and continuous improvement. Working together helps us refine our approach and ensure everyone's on the same page. All of these points tie back to the overall theme of ensuring our AI tools are effective, consistent, and aligned with our objectives. Let's talk about creating and editing prompts. The first key point is to write clear, purpose-driven prompts. This means being specific about what you want to achieve, so the AI understands exactly what you're asking for. Next, it's important to ensure that your prompts align with the ADollarClass voice and tone. Consistency here helps maintain our brand's personality and professionalism. Also, keep your prompts concise and inclusive. Short, straightforward prompts are easier to interpret, and inclusive language makes sure everyone feels represented. Overall, crafting effective prompts is crucial for getting the best results, and it ties back to our goal of clear, engaging communication throughout this process. Let's talk about developing prompt templates. The first key point is creating reusable prompt structures. These are designed to be flexible, so we can use them across different scenarios, saving us time and ensuring consistency. Next, it's important to tailor these templates for various service areas. That way, each template can be customized to fit specific needs, making our prompts more effective and relevant. Lastly, we need to continually update these templates based on testing feedback. This iterative process helps us refine our prompts, improve their performance, and ensure they truly meet our users' needs. Overall, developing strong prompt templates is a crucial step in building a reliable and adaptable AI system, aligning perfectly with our goal of creating smarter, more efficient solutions. Let's talk about testing prompt effectiveness. First, we simulate AI conversations using various tools. This step helps us see how well our prompts guide the AI's responses in real scenarios. Next, we assess key aspects such as clarity, empathy, tone, and coherence. These elements are crucial because they determine how natural and effective the AI's communication feels. Based on what we find in these tests, we revise our prompts to improve performance. This iterative process ensures that our prompts become more refined and better aligned with our goals. Overall, this step is vital because it connects directly to creating more engaging, accurate, and human-like interactions with AI. Let's talk about the importance of collaborating with different teams to ensure our project's success. For developers, it's crucial to focus on format compatibility, making sure the tools and platforms we use work seamlessly together. When it comes to educators, accuracy in the subject matter is key. We want the content to be reliable and educationally sound. Counselors play a vital role in maintaining tone sensitivity, ensuring our communication is respectful and appropriate for all users. And for operations teams, Tracking effectiveness helps us measure what's working and where we can improve. By working closely with each of these groups, we create a more cohesive, effective, and user-centered solution, connecting back to our overall goal of delivering a high-quality, collaborative product. Let's talk about maintaining a prompt database. It's really essential to store prompts along with their purpose and any test notes we might have. This helps us keep track of why each prompt exists and how it performs. Including different versions and variations is also important because it allows us to experiment and find the most effective prompts for different scenarios. Ensuring easy access and quick retrieval is key. If we can't find the prompts when we need them, it hampers our workflow. Overall, a well-maintained prompt database supports consistency, efficiency, and continuous improvement across our projects. Let's talk about promoting inclusivity and ethics in our work. First, it's really important to avoid bias, stereotypes, and any language that could be seen as insensitive. This means being mindful of the words we choose and how they might impact others. We should also aim to use inclusive, gender-neutral phrasing whenever possible, ensuring everyone feels respected and represented. Additionally, it's crucial to test our content for cultural and linguistic neutrality. This helps us reach a broader audience without unintentionally excluding or offending anyone. By keeping these principles in mind, we not only create more ethical and respectful content, but also align with the overall goal of fostering a more inclusive environment. Let's take a moment to understand what AI prompting really means. Essentially, a prompt is an instruction or input that we give to an AI to generate a response or output. It's like asking a question or giving a command to get the AI to do something useful. There are different types of prompts to consider. Instructional prompts are clear commands or directions, guiding the AI on what to do. Conversational prompts are more like engaging in a dialogue, encouraging the AI to respond naturally. Reflective prompts, on the other hand, ask the AI to think back or analyze a situation, helping generate more thoughtful responses. The main goal of prompting is to guide the AI so that it responds in a helpful and appropriate manner. Good prompting is crucial because it shapes the quality and relevance of the AI's output. Connecting this back to our overall theme, mastering prompting is about effectively communicating your needs to AI. It's the bridge that ensures the technology delivers value in a way that aligns with our objectives. When it comes to prompt writing techniques, the first key point is to be specific and purposeful. This means your prompts should clearly state what you want to achieve, leaving no ambiguity. The more precise you are, the better the responses you'll get. Next, it's important to include role-based instructions. By specifying roles or perspectives, you can guide the AI to generate more targeted and relevant content. For example, asking it to respond as a teacher or a customer can really shape the output. Using a direct and friendly tone is also crucial. It helps make your prompts more approachable and encourages more natural, engaging responses. At the same time, you want to balance guidance with flexibility. While clear instructions are vital, leaving some room for creativity allows the AI to provide richer, more nuanced answers. Connecting these points to the overall theme, effective prompt writing is about clarity and context. When you craft your prompts thoughtfully, you set the stage for better communication and more useful results. Remember, the goal is to be as intentional as possible in guiding the AI, while still allowing space for it to be creative and insightful. Now, let's take a closer look at the different prompt categories available at ADollarClass. First up is mentorship. This category is all about helping users with goal setting and providing career guidance, which is essential for personal and professional growth. Moving on, we have learning support, where users can ask academic questions and get the help they need to understand complex topics. Next is emotional support, which focuses on compassionate listening, offering a safe space for users to share their feelings and concerns. Then, there's social chat, designed for icebreakers and reflection, encouraging meaningful interactions and community building. Lastly, skills training offers practice prompts to help users hone their skills through active engagement. These categories work together to create a comprehensive support system that aligns perfectly with our overall goal of empowering learners in multiple dimensions. Let's take a look at the tools and systems we use to keep everything running smoothly. First up, Google Docs. It was our go-to for writing and editing because of its real-time collaboration features. It really helped us stay on the same page. Next, we utilized PromptDB, which includes Airtable and Notion. These platforms helped us organize and manage our prompts efficiently. Then there's GPT Playground, where we tested our prompts to ensure they worked effectively before deploying them. Finally, for team communication and collaboration, we relied on Slack and Discord. These tools made it easy to stay connected, share updates, and troubleshoot quickly. Altogether, these tools were essential in streamlining our workflow and ensuring seamless teamwork throughout the project. Let's talk about ethical guidelines and the importance of using inclusive language. First, it's crucial to avoid bias and stereotypes in everything we communicate. This means being mindful not to reinforce harmful assumptions about any group or individual. Next, we should always aim to use respectful and accessible language, making sure our words foster understanding and inclusivity. It's also essential to be culturally and emotionally sensitive, recognizing and respecting different backgrounds and feelings. All of these points tie back to our overall goal of creating a respectful, inclusive environment through effective communication. By following these guidelines, we not only uphold ethical standards, but also ensure everyone feels valued and understood. Let's talk about testing and refining prompts, which is a crucial step in making sure our AI interactions are effective. First, we simulate prompts in AI tools to see how they perform in real scenarios. This helps us understand how well the prompts guide the AI to produce the desired responses. Next, we evaluate the responses based on relevance, tone, and empathy. It's important that the AI's output is not only accurate, but also appropriate and considerate of the context and audience. We also track changes and improvements over time, so we can see what adjustments make a difference and continuously enhance our prompts. This iterative process ensures we're honing our prompts to get the best results, aligning with the overall goal of creating more natural and effective AI interactions. Let's take a look at documentation standards. First, it's important to include a clear title, purpose, and structure in your documentation. This helps anyone who reads it quickly understand what it's about and how it's organized. Next, we need to log version history and test notes. Keeping track of version changes and test results is crucial for maintaining accuracy and understanding the evolution of the project. Another key point is to categorize prompts clearly. Clear categorization makes it easier to find and understand different prompts, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Overall, these standards help create comprehensive, organized, and accessible documentation, which is essential for the success and clarity of our projects. Remember, good documentation isn't just about recording information. It's about making that information usable and understandable for everyone involved. Let's talk about some best practices to ensure you're getting the most out of your AI prompts. First, it's really beneficial to simulate your prompts before finalizing them. This helps you identify any issues and refine your approach for better results. Second, maintaining a prompt template library can save you time and help keep your prompts consistent and effective across different projects. It's also crucial to collect and implement feedback regularly. Listening to how your prompts perform and making adjustments ensures continuous improvement. Lastly, since AI models are constantly evolving, staying updated on any changes or updates to the models you're using is key to maintaining optimal performance. All these practices help us stay adaptable and improve our interactions with AI, which ultimately supports our overall goal of leveraging these tools effectively and responsibly. All right, let's go through our final checklist to make sure we're all set. First, it's important to review the prompt library. This helps us stay consistent and creative with our prompts. Next, make sure you've joined the team channels. That's where all the collaboration and updates happen. Testing sample prompts is crucial too. It allows us to see how well our ideas work in practice. Don't forget to submit at least 5 prompts for review. That's how we get feedback and improve. And finally, I encourage everyone to attend the weekly prompt team sessions. These meetings are key for staying aligned, sharing insights, and refining our approach. Remember, these steps are essential to ensure we're all moving forward effectively and making the most of this process. Thank you all for your time and attention today. If you have any questions or want to connect further, please feel free to reach out via email at support@ADollarClass.com. You can also visit our website at www.ADollarClass.com for more information and updates. Remember, our mission is to create human-centered AI conversations together. It's all about building technology that truly understands and supports people. I hope you've gained valuable insights into how we're shaping the future of AI interactions. Thank you once again for being part of this journey.